So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to auto buy a stock here on the Moomoo application. So once Moomoo's opened up, I want you to go into your account. So go to the bottom left here, in between markets and news, press on account. Now there's a bunch of different options you guys can do. Simply for this example, I'm just going to go to where it says all right here. Press on all. Now, where it says trade, on the third option says auto buy, press on auto buy. So now once you're here for this example, I can press the US market or the Canadian market, whatever the case may be. I'm going to go ahead and press US market. Now for this example, I'll just press on NVIDIA stock and I will press on invest. Now once you're here, you are creating a plan for you to, I guess, buy this stock automatically. So if you wanted to type in, $10 for example, as this example, this might not work, but you can select whatever stock you're looking for. In regards to frequency, you can go ahead and press on weekly, every 2 weeks, every month, or every day. Press on confirm, then go to the bottom and press on buy. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to auto buy a stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.